Hello guys, welcome back to the She Talk Systems channel. Today's video is going to be a juicy one. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nicola. I am the host of She Talk Systems. Here is where we talk about Dubsado and ClickUp, and I show you exactly how these two platforms can streamline your business, help you get organized and automated, and keep you in the visionary driving seat. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the tools that you can completely eliminate when you are using Dubsado. So if you currently have all these different apps and platforms and you're wondering what can you really let go of from using Dubsado, this video is going to show you how you can save costs and eliminate that shiny object syndrome so you can stay fully focused in your business. If it's your first time being here, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this. So I'm going to dive straight in. So for those of you who are new to Dubsado, Dubsado is an online business management tool that allows you to manage your service-based business. I have been using Dubsado now for the last 3 to 4 years. I used it previously in my wedding business as a wedding stationery supplier, and now I am using it in my online business management business, and I also help clients get set up with using Dubsado. From setting up Dubsado, I see that there are so many platforms and tools that clients have access to, but they don't really realize that they can actually stop using these tools and bring a lot of their processes and day-to-day management into Dubsado. So I want to break down some of the areas that you can do this as well, and this should hopefully give you some clarity, help you think about how you can start making better use out of this amazing platform that you're already using. If you want to get started with it, there's a link below in the description. It is an affiliate link, but you can try out Dubsado, 20% off. You get a discount on me. You're welcome. So for the first thing that I want to share with you is the external scheduler. So if you're currently using any external scheduling tools, there are some free ones out there. I'm not going to name names. However, Dubsado does have an internal scheduler. Now it does say on the platform it is in beta mode. It's been in beta mode for quite some time now, but I will say it's very, very functional. I use it in my business to manage my clarity calls, my discovery calls, my VIP day bookings and my client one-on-one strategy sessions. It works a treat. What I love about it is that I don't have to worry about paying for extra templates or extra scheduler templates. I can literally just create a new one. I can update the availability, I can add in my Zoom link, and I can add in lots of personalizations through the emails that will send it out to clients, through my reminder emails, and also it allows you to actually attach forms to your schedulers. If you want to, for example, allow clients to book an appointment and fill out an inquiry form first, you can definitely do that within Dubsado. So if you currently have your calendar on your website, for example, and clients will pick a time, fill out a form, you can eliminate this whole process and just bring it into Dubsado. You can do that through the lead capture forms and just having a scheduler template ready to go. It is so simple, and the best part is you can incorporate the schedulers within the workflows, and it just makes for much more streamlined automation when you get there, if you're not there already. So the next area that I will safely say you can definitely eliminate are your Google Forms, type forms, any type of forms that you're using for your client management. So these are forms that might look like your inquiry process forms, your client intake forms, onboarding, even your feedback and testimonial forms. You can bring all of this into Dubsado and keep them safe and sound in one place. I have even helped clients bring in welcome packs and create forms with custom designed welcome packs, and they look so great and they are so responsive for your clients. People absolutely love to use these forms. Your clients love to receive them, especially when they have your brand aesthetic attached to it. By that I mean you can brand out your forms to match your business branding, your style. You can add in your wording and really customize them to create some beautiful looks for your Dubsado setup. And it makes your business so much more professional. I much rather would love to use a form that is put together, beautifully designed and very simple to just submit, to fill out, to submit submit and access again, as opposed to a Google form, which is pretty basic, let's be honest. So if you have a high ticket service and your clients are kind of expecting that extra factor, this will definitely help you to do that. The next is any of those spreadsheets that you're using to keep track of your contacts. If you have a Google Sheet for your CRM database, then worry no more. You can build out your contacts list in Dubsado. I love to keep all of my client names in one place. It makes it so easy for me to just grab a name, grab an email address, their phone number, everything is in one place. So you can actually build out your address book in Dubsado, and then any of your contacts who actually become clients of yours, they then become projects. And that's what's even better, because you can have an overview of all the different projects and jobs that you've worked on with certain clients. You can really gauge who is a returning client versus who you've only worked with 1 or 2 times, and all the information for that client stays in one place. So this is your database. It's very organized, very easy for you to search and have a look to find key details so that you can continue to work with these individuals. So the next area, and this is something that I hear a lot of clients wondering about: how can I find a platform that will support my e-signing and allow me to onboard new clients with ease? Well, guess what, you guys? You can do this in Dubsado using their contracts. So you can eliminate tools such as DocuSign, HelloSign. Sorry guys, but Dubsado can handle that and handle it very, very well. So I have brought all of my contracts into Dubsado, and you can definitely do the same as a service provider. You can create succinct templates for your contracts. So if you have different service offerings, even if you have contractors that you send out contracts for, you can actually manage lots of different processes within Dubsado through using the contracts. So this is an amazing feature that you can have, and everything stores within Dubsado. You can always refer back to it. Your clients as well who sign the contracts, they have access to their contracts. They are able to download them as PDFs and keep those documents in their own filing system as well. It just makes it so easy. So these are just some of the tools that you can look to bring into Dubsado, streamline down all of the various apps that you might be using currently in your business, and let's just make life a little bit easier for you. Now, all of that being said, there are some tools that integrate so well with Dubsado, and those are tools such as your payment gateways. PayPal and Stripe, they integrate beautifully with Dubsado and help you to manage your invoicing and payment process a lot easier. I also love to use Zapier, and Zapier, if you haven't heard, is a great tool that allows you to actually connect external apps together so that you can build on your workflows in a much more advanced way. So those are some of my power tips if you do want to use Dubsado and really just go to town in terms of using it outside of the platform as well. But some of these tools, just to do a quick wrap up for you: your scheduler, your forms, your spreadsheets for your database, and your contracts can all be managed with ease inside of Dubsado. So if you have any questions after this video, please feel free to drop them below, drop a comment. If you enjoyed this video and you stuck around till the end, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. I drop a new video every single week, and so I would love for you to ensure you don't miss out on any new videos that get uploaded to the She Talk Systems channel. You guys, I am so excited to see you here, and I'll be back with another video. Thanks for watching.